All right, fourth graders, this is how to make a fun fact box. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to find your fun fact. Your fun fact should be something that you haven't said yet. So I'm looking on Wikipedia for a fun fact, something that's very interesting and just kind of different that I don't have anywhere else in my project. And I found that after 1 month, actually here, when the company was founded, Els and his father calculated that the store would need to sell 107 burritos per day to be profitable. But after 1 month, the restaurant was selling 1,000 burritos a day. So I thought that that would be a really good way to show the growth of this company, and it's kind of a fun, interesting fact. So I'm going to take that. I'm not going to copy and paste it because that's not what I'm doing here. I'm going to put it in my own words. I'm going to come down to optional text features, and you can see I have my other stuff here, so I'm just going to make a space. Then I'm going to do insert a drawing. Now, I'm thinking that I want to do a shape, a fun shape. So I'm just going to kind of browse the shapes and see if maybe there's anything that I might want to use. And I think that I will use one of these, like a call-out box. Okay, and then you can just start typing. Now, for the title, I'm going to use word art, so I went to Actions, Word Art, and I'm going to put Fun Fact. Then I'm going to make it so that it's looks like a title. Then I can just start typing on my box, and I'm going to make it look cooler later. So I would say, I'm just going to put it in my own words. Els and his father figured that they would have to sell 7 burritos per day to be profitable. After a month, Chipotle was selling 1,000 burritos a day. Now, that's growth. Okay, so that's my fun fact that I think people, when they walk up to my poster, they will love to read that and learn that about Chipotle, and I bet most people didn't know that. Okay, so it's also good to think of something that most people probably don't know. I can change the color of my fun fact box. I can change the line around the fun fact box. And I can change, make it like that. I think I'm going to do the dots, but I'm going to make them smaller because I like the way that looks. You can also do gradient if I want to do orange gradient. It's kind of cool. I don't like the dark. I'm just going to do regular color, I think. Solid and that color. Okay, then I can change the font to be what I've been using and change the color of the font to be the red that I've been using, which I don't like up against that, so I can maybe do yellow. Actually, I think I just want to do it all black. Fun fact. I'm going to make that nice and big, and then I want to make my text nice and big because there's a lot of blank space in my box. And that's too big, so I'll go down, maybe try 20. Yeah, that's perfect. So now I'm just going to press enter, and maybe change this font to what I've been using, that Oswald, and then I can center it, and bam, I have my fun fact. You could also enter, do a picture if you wanted to. I could do a picture of a burrito. So I could grab this, copy it, Come over here, paste it. Oh, not that. That's print. Hold that thought. There's my burrito. I could put that real small in the corner. Looks kind of cool. You can turn it. I like to keep mine looking nice and clean. Not a bunch of stuff going on, just nice and simple and clean. Okay, there's my fun fact box. You can go try to make a fun fact box of your own. Go.